Hello friends, this is Prav from Online Money Reality. Today we are going to talk about landing pages, quiz pages and sales pages. So when I started with affiliate marketing, I was thoroughly confused as to what these terms mean. I'm pretty sure most of you are in the same boat if you have just started with the affiliate marketing. So first we'll start with the sales page. Sales page is nothing but the money page. In short, if a visitor visits this particular page, then you expect him to make a purchase. The purchase can be for your products or your services, and after he reaches on this particular page, you expect him to make purchase so that you can make money. Before I go further, I just wanted to clarify that I'm talking mainly with respect to the running paid ads. So how these pages fit in with respect to ads in this scenario. So you run paid ads, visitor clicks on your ad and he reaches on your sales page and makes a purchase. But in reality, what happens, people don't really purchase on their first visit. They need more touch points. That means they need to see your ads multiple times. They need to see your sales page multiple times before they actually make a purchase. Say for example, what happens, a person can come to your sales page and if he gets a call or if he gets an emergency, he will leave before making any purchase. So that's the purpose of having a squeeze page. Squeeze page is nothing but a page, intermediate page between your ads and sales page. So the purpose of squeeze page is to collect the contact information of a person, so that even if he leaves your sales page without purchasing, you can contact him again and he can come back and make the purchase. Also you can sell him the new products that you have in your lineup, so that you don't really have to chase him again using the paid ads. So what exactly is the landing page in this case? Okay, in short, the landing page can be any page on which the visitor lands first. Or it can be your website homepage, it can be a particular blog post, it can be a sales page if you send him directly, or it can be a squeeze page. In short, whatever page the user sees first is called the landing page. People interchangeably use the landing page and sales pages terminology, which is not right. For that matter, they use the squeeze page and landing page interchangeably. That is also not right. Landing page is anything that user visits for the first time. Okay, we'll see the squeeze page characteristics. Okay, the squeeze page characteristics, the number one characteristic is that it has to be consistent with respect to your ads. If your ad, say if you're trying to sell dog collars and if your squeeze page says cat collars, then user will not enter the contact information, he will leave. It should be short and simple. At max it should contain a headline, sub-headline and a contact form. It should also highlight one or two key benefits of your product. And the purpose of squeeze page is to fill in the information, the contact information as soon as possible and send him to the sales page. On the contrary, sales page should be consistent. On the contrary, the sales pages are usually long. There are two types of sales pages mainly, one with respect to the video sales page and the text and image plus video sales page. The video sales page can be shorter. However, the image and testimonial and all the other type of the sales page should be long enough. to convince the person to purchase your product or services, it should follow the proper sales pitch. Basically, it should touch the pain area, then it should offer the solution, and then it should give the benefits of that particular products and services. It should also contain the testimonials, preferably the video testimonials. Those are more trustworthy. Then it also should contain multiple payment format. At least it should have 2 payment formats of PayPal and credit cards, the various credit cards like Master and Visa card at least. And the best sales pages make use of upsells. So after a particular product has been sold, the front end product is sold, then you should try to sell more with your upsells. You should sell at least 2 or 3 more upgrades related to that product, because you want to make use of the purchasing characteristic, purchasing mindset of that particular person. So let's see the examples of each of these. So first we'll see the examples of the squeeze pages. Here I'm kind of selling the weight loss formula, mainly the belly fat reduction. So here I am giving them the information that I lost 84 lbs accidentally. So I am generating the curiosity in those person. Here I have put the the screenshot of my video that explains how this particular morning habit is going to reduce the 3 lbs of belly fat every morning. And if user is trying to click on this, it is not clickable. The user has to enter the name and email ID to watch the video. So once he or she enters the email ID and the name, this video will start playing on the sales page. So that is a video sales page. Here is another example of squeeze page. I am going to teach them how to get the free traffic from Facebook using. So this particular hack involves Facebook, and if everyone, I'm convincing them that it is not complicated. If you know how to use Facebook, then they can use this particular method and get unlimited traffic from Facebook for the rest of their life. They don't have to pay any money on the ad. All they have to do is enter their name and email ID, and then I will take them to the sales page where they will register for the course and purchase the course. Now let's take the example of the sales page. So these are the examples of the squeeze pages. Now let's see the example of the sales pages. So this is the video sales page. This is a short sales page. However, it has it's a dramatized video sales page. This is a very long video sales page. I think this particular video is for almost for half an hour, and it touches the pain point of a person who wants to lose weight, and it offers a solution in the video in a dramatic format. Like it's almost like a movie. So user gets glued to the screen. If he is facing that particular problem, the chances are that he or she will watch this video entirely. Okay, this is another example of a text-based sales page where it's a long sales page, sales copy. You can see how long it is. Okay, here also they explain what exactly this particular video maker FX software is going to do, what are the key benefits, then how these videos are made using video effects, then the pain areas, why you need this particular software, then what it offers, then there are what types of videos you can make, then there are like testimonials. These are the testimonials. then what exactly you are going to get, see how many benefits they are highlighting for their product, and they are like putting a value of 5,965 for this particular video pack, and they are offering it only for $27. So you can see people will be tempted to buy this if they are facing any video related issue. And once they buy this, so next let's go and see. Oh, they are also this is what I wanted to show. Give me one sec. Yeah, there are multiple payment methods on this sales page: PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express card, and it's a 100% secure checkout, and they are offering 30 days money guarantee as well. So, and once you make this $27 purchase, I'm pretty sure they are going to sell few more upgrades related to this product. So that's how a particular sales page you may want to design. I believe that's all I wanted to highlight. Just to summarize, sales page is the money page. Squeeze page is the page to collect the contact information of the visitor. Landing page is nothing but the any page that the visitor visits for the first time. And we just saw a few characteristics of squeeze page and sales page. I believe that's all for this video. I hope you have understood what I was trying to say. If I was not very clear, I have put a link of this particular video where I have explained in a text format, which is, I believe, in a better, it is better to understand. So do click on that particular link and read it in the text format if you did not understand what I just said. Thank you very much and have a great day.